Hello, welcome. In today's video, I will be unboxing sandals for my kids. I ordered these sandals from this store online called Zappos.com. I like to order from them because they deliver really fast and have a great variety of styles and prices are competitive. I ordered these sandals from this brand Keen, Keen. I recently discovered this brand at Nordstrom Rack, but Nordstrom Rack didn't have the number I needed, so I decided to shop online. And I'm glad I did because this brand have a large variety of styles and I really love how they are made. They are very comfortable and they are wide and flexible. That's very important for me. According to Google, Keen is an American footwear company based in Portland, Oregon, and it was founded by Martin Keen in 2003. I wish I knew about these sandals before. They are really comfortable and I like the way they look. The sandals I'm showing right now are for my 5-year-old daughter. I ordered in the style called Stingray, Toddler size 10, in the color Waterfall bluegrass. I like this style for my little one because they looks like they will hug her little feet. They're supposed to be made or designed especially for wet surface according to their description. They are slip-on water shoes featuring water repellent finish. I will need to see them in action to give you my thoughts on these sandals and how they work. One thing that I like about these sandals is how wide the sole is. The sole is rubber, but it's very flexible and wide. I think I should have ordered her a size 11 since she is struggling a little to put them on. And they fit just perfect in the size 10. We need the shoes soon for the pool and the beach, but I'm sure this number will work for now. But now that I have experience, for next time I will order a size up. They seem to be true to size. Kids' feet grows really fast, so next time I know now that I have to order one size up. These water shoes looks really cute on my daughter's feet. I really like the style. I think they will protect her feet from rocks, sand, and any other debris we might encounter in our trip. And they won't slide from her feet that easily in the water or walking. This next style is called Seacamp 2 in the size 3 for little kids. These are for my 10-year-old daughter. The color of this sandal is Baltic Caribbean Sea. The Seacamp 2 are hybrid sandals and according to their website description, they are perfect for land and any water sport activity. And if I didn't misunderstood, they are completely machine washable and they also are designed to control bad odors. As you can see, they are closed-toe sandals and they have a Velcro adjustable strap. They also have an elastic lace to adjust to their feet. They have a wide rubber sole and they look so cute and comfortable. I can't wait to see how they will perform in our next trip. This specific style and color of sandals was $50 when I bought them at Zappos.com. For your convenience and if you want to explore more about these sandals, I will leave the link of these shoes down in the description section. That's it for this video. I will see you next time. Bye! Ba ba da ba da ba da ba ba.